Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I will show you how to add or import theme in PowerPoint step by step, so you can quickly change the look and design of your presentation. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open your PowerPoint presentation where you want to add or import a theme. This is the file you are currently working on, and applying a theme will change its overall design, including colors, fonts, and layouts. Make sure the correct presentation is open before moving forward. Step 2. Click on the Design tab located at the top of your screen. The Design tab contains all the formatting and styling options for your slides. This section is important because it gives you access to built-in themes and customization tools. Step 3. In the Themes group, click on any preset theme displayed to apply it to your presentation. These preset themes are ready-made designs provided in PowerPoint to quickly enhance your slides. Selecting one instantly updates the entire slide deck with a consistent and professional look. Method 2. Step 1. Open your PowerPoint presentation where you want to add or import a theme. Ensure that the presentation is active so the imported theme applies correctly. This step prepares your file for customization. Step 2. Click on the Design tab at the top of your screen. This tab holds all theme-related options and design settings. Accessing it is necessary to import a custom theme. Step 3. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the Themes section. This arrow expands additional theme options beyond the visible presets. It allows you to explore more theme choices. Step 4. Select Browse for Themes from the drop-down menu. This option lets you import a theme saved on your computer. It is useful when you want to use a custom or previously downloaded theme. Step 5. In the dialog window, navigate to the folder and select the PowerPoint file that contains the theme you want to import. Browsing through your folders helps you locate the correct theme file. Make sure you select the right file to apply the desired design. Step 6. Click on Open to apply the selected theme to your current slide deck. Once you click Open, the theme from that file will be applied instantly. Your presentation will now reflect the imported design settings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click.